Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have another bright and fun tutorial for you guys. This is using like pinks, deeper pinks, more raspberry pinks, plummier pinks, that kind of thing, and a pop of lime green. So we're doing bright and contrasting, which I love, and I am loving my lower lash line right now. Let me see if I can get nice and up close for you guys. Like, it looks so bright, especially my waterline. I like layered two liners up on each other and I'm kind of in love now and I kind of want to wear this every day. I love it. I'm so happy with it. So yeah, this is the look, and if you want to see how to get this, then keep on watching. We're going to start this look off using the Urban Decay primer potion, and I'm priming my lid to my brow and along my lower lash line. If I sound a little bit weird, it's because I have a bit of a cough and my voice is kind of raspy, so just bear with me until this is gone. Next I'm taking Inglot Eyeshadow in 124. It's one of the rainbow shades, so it's got 3 different shades of that colour, and I'm taking the lightest shade first on a Inglot 6SS, I think it is, the big fluffy one, and I'm applying that into my crease as my transition shade. In the same little trio, I'm taking the darkest shade and I'm using a Makeup Geek's Defined. And with that shade, I'm deepening up my crease, mainly on the outer half of my crease, but in the deepest part of my crease. I'm just slowly building that up so we get a really nice saturated colour. I'm using my Inglot 6SS brush to help blend that out with the first shade on it. I'm then taking Inglot Eyeshadow in Pearl 449, which is a very shimmery raspberry sort of shade. It's kind of what inspired this look. And I'm taking that on the inner half of my lid using a flat brush, and on the same brush I'm taking the shade 450, which is also from Inglot, and it's a deeper, slightly burgundy wine shade, and I'm popping that on the centre of the lid as far out as the darker shade on the outer corner. Re-intensifying that darker shade on the outer corner as well, just so you can really see the difference, because the colours are quite tonal. You still want to see the dimension on the eye. And then using some under eye concealer to get rid of my dark circles and tidy up underneath the eye. On the lower lash line, I'm taking Kiko's Lasting Precision Liner in 09, which is like a minty green. And applying that into my waterline and bringing it down onto my lower lash line a little bit. I'm going over that to add more of a lime effect with the Urban Decay liner in Freak. I'm applying that in the same place, so basically over top. I wanted the intensity of the mint shade, but I wanted the lime sort of shade of the Urban Decay liner. Over that, on a small little brush, I'm taking Inglot's AMC 59 eyeshadow, which is a pure acid green sort of shade, and I'm using that to blend out the pencil. And then I'm taking Inglot's AMC 58, which is like a grass green sort of shade, and I'm using that just in between my lashes on my lower lash line, just to help define my eye a little bit more. For my brow highlight, I'm taking Inglot's Matte 373, which is a matte white, and I'm just applying that under my brow and using that to help soften any harsh edges. For my inner corner highlight, I'm taking Inglot's AMC Pure Pigment in 115, which is just like a nude shimmer. It's really, really sparkly. I'm just popping that on my inner tear duct area just to brighten that. And I tight lined my upper waterline, with MAC's Feline pencil, because we already have the waterline on the bottom done, so I'm just tight lining, and I didn't want to do any actual liner. I just wanted it to be very soft and blended colours, no harsh lines. And I'm finishing off with MAC's in Extreme Dimension Mascara on my top and bottom lashes. It would have also looked cool with a green mascara on the bottom lash, but I didn't have one, so I just went in black. I popped on these lashes by Kiss, which are, I think they're the Flirty lashes. And then on my cheeks I went in with Candy Floss blush from the Sweet Cheeks Blush by 3 by Sleek, which is a mouthful, because it has that same raspberry sort of tone. I'm just popping that on my cheeks. And for my highlight, I'm taking the Sleek Solstice highlighting palette, and I'm taking the shade Hemisphere, which is like a lilac-y shade. But once it's on, it's just a really bright highlighter. On my lips, I'm using MAC's Liptensity Lip Pencil in Pressed Blooms. And I'm just lining my lips with this and filling it in as well. And for my lipstick, I'm going in with MAC's Fleshpot, which is a very pale nude with a pink undertone. It's super pale, like you definitely need a lip liner with it. But I love the effect it gave at the end. And that's your finished look, guys. Alrighty guys, so that is your finished look. I feel like this kind of just reminds me of like a summer drink, like a cocktail that's like a raspberry something cocktail with like a lime sticking in it. That's kind of where I'm going with this, if that makes sense. Yeah, I love it. I actually really like it. These lashes are so comfortable right now. I'm so happy that they're not too thick. I don't like when the band is too thick because it just feels uncomfortable and I don't like it. And my eyes are a bit sensitive in the past few weeks, so the more comfortable, the better. So yeah, if you did like this look, give me a big thumbs up below, hit subscribe, and yeah, leave me a comment and let me know what you think of the look. And I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye!